Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A8 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the sound and vibration, Now we have to scroll down again and enter the ringtone. And of course give all the permissions. So right here we've got the list of the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got also the option which will allow us to enter our own files. So it means that if you've got something, for example, downloaded, then you will be able to choose it from the list and apply it as your ringtone. To listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I want this Bliss option to be set. So first of all, make sure that this option is marked and go back. We do not have any information right here, but no worries. After entering the ringtone, we can see that the Bliss is still marked, of course Bliss in my case, and it means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.